concentrate is formulated with premium quality aloe vera. It can be used as a refreshing drink when mixed with water on a daily basis and can serve as a healthy replacement for soft drinks or high sugar juices. Aloe vera is a plant that has traditionally been used in topical form as a medicinal plant in various regions for thousands of years. There are several additional benefits of aloe when it is used for consumption, and it has been used in Ayurveda and South African medicine. The plant has been incorporated in Indian systems of indigenous medicine, including Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and homeopathy for digestive health. Aloe vera has been known to have digestive benefits and may also support hydration when consumed as a refreshing drink. Herbal aloe concentrate contains goodness of aloe vera while being low in calories. Aloe vera helps support intestinal health, helps soothe the stomach and helps support nutrient absorption. Mix 15 ml, that is 1.5 capful of herbal aloe concentrate with 120 ml of water. Enjoy 1 or 2 servings per day. Including herbal aloe concentrate in your daily life can also help in giving a refreshing taste to water and help you to increase your fluid intake. This product contains sucralose. No sugar is added in the product.